Sorry guys, it got cut off, but here we go. So here is what we need to finish learning about our lanthanide and actinide series. So the reason why they are separate by themselves down here at the bottom is because if they were right here in the periodic table where the little stars are, the periodic table would just be super long, and so we wouldn't be able to keep it in a nice, neat, kind of like graphic organizer looking thing here. So the reason why they're just separated is just because if we put them in where they're supposed to go, they would it would take up too much space. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to take some extra notes on this real quick. Otherwise, we'll move on. So this is something else that I just want you to add into your periodic table because it's also super important. So if you look at this picture right here, you see a lot of what color? All right, seriously, what color do you see a lot of? Blue, right? And our blue is a solid. So a majority of our elements on the periodic table are solids. All right. Then we have some gases, and then these two very special elements right here are liquids at room temperature. Where my house mercury people at? All right, we got mercury is a liquid at room temperature, and bromine is a liquid at room temperature. So on your periodic table, what I want you to do is I just want you to put a little star or a little asterisk right here next to mercury and next to bromine so that you can remember those are our only two liquids at room temperature. And for all of our gases, so all of our noble gases, some of our non-metals, and hydrogen, you're going to put a little circle next to their atomic number so that you can remember that they are gases at room temperature and not a solid. So there is all of the information you need about the periodic table. If you've got questions, then raise your hand and one of us will come and talk you through whatever you've got a question about. Otherwise, you have now completed your very first copy of the periodic table. Woo! All right, so go ahead and pause the video and fill out for the last time, your little Google form to let me know what it is that you learned and if you have any questions. All right, so thanks for tuning in and see you in a bit.